You can generate an invoice directly from a conversation by clicking the $ button. To generate the invoice, simply name your item and set a price. You can add multiple items, turn payment mode from test to live. You can preview your invoice before you send it, or you can click copy link and mark as sent. Text will automatically be generated into the body of your message, at which point you can send the message, which will link them directly to the invoice where they can pay. This works virtually the same way on mobile. Select the plus button, then select request payment. Add an item just like you did on desktop and hit save, then you can click generate link.